Formax presents the Flashcard Business Card Cutter. For far too long, customers have had to decide between low price and low quality or overpriced with dependability for on-demand card cutting. But no more. The Formax Flashcard is an industry breakthrough, proving to be the first high-quality, versatile tabletop card cutter with an economical price tag for the on-demand print market. Utilizing Formax card production experience and Formax American engineering, the Flashcard is ideal for producing business cards, postcards, photo cards, appointment reminder cards, laminated ID cards, greeting cards, and more. The Flashcard delivers fast, accurate cuts every time at speeds of up to 144 business cards per minute. This little machine packs a big punch, cutting paperweights up to 350 GSM and up to 14 inches long without hesitation. 3 heavy-duty quick-change cutting cassettes are available with self-sharpening blades for enhanced output and minimal maintenance. The standard 3.5-inch business card cassette is included, with optional 7-inch and 8-inch wide cassettes for larger card sizes. Users can choose up to 16 jobs stored in memory, 5 pre-programmed for common applications, and 11 programmable jobs for custom card sizes. Horizontal and vertical gutter settings create full bleed graphics for a professional finish. The registration mark sensor adjusts for slight print offsets, enhancing cutting accuracy and output quality. The automatic friction feed system includes adjustable paper guides and holds up to 40 sheets of 200 GSM paper. The Outfeed tray is easily adjusted to accommodate various size cards, with a removable center guide for larger cards. An integrated waste bin neatly catches waste scraps for easy disposal. The control panel is designed for easy operation. Simply select the programmed or custom job, enter the number of pieces needed, and press start. In seconds, printed sheets are precisely cut and collected in the catch tray. The Formax Flashcard is a high-quality cutter engineered for precision, quality, and ease of operation that brings on-demand card cutting to the next level without the added expense.